Hey dear lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of relationships and sharing some golden nuggets of advice to help you navigate the highs and lows of love and connections. Whether you are in the early stage of dating or building a strong long-term partnership, these tips will serve as your compass for healthier and happier relationship. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's get started. Strong communication. Open, honest, and respectful communication is the foundation of any successful relationship. Remember, it's not just about talking, it's about actively listening and understanding your partner's perspective. Prioritize quality time. In our fast-paced world, quality time is the ultimate love language. Disconnect from devices and distraction to truly connect with your partner. Create memories and experiences together. Embrace individuality. A strong relationship doesn't mean giving up your individuality. Embrace each other's passion and interests and encourage personal growth. Supporting each other's dream is a beautiful way to strengthen your bond. Practice empathy and understanding. Empathy means putting yourself in your partner's shoes, understanding their feelings and validate their emotions. This practice depends on your connection and shows you truly care. Conflict resolution. Disagreements are natural, but how you handle them matters most. Keep the respect intact during arguments and work together to find compromises that satisfy both sides. Surprise act of kindness. Little acts of kindness go a long way in nurturing your relationship. Surprise your partner with thoughtful gestures and gifts to show them you are thinking of them. Healthy boundaries. Boundaries are not about restrictions. They are about creating a safe and comfortable space for both partners. Discuss and set boundaries together to ensure mutual respect and understanding. Keep the romance alive. Don't let the spark fade away. Keep the romance alive with date nights, sweet messages, and spontaneous adventures. Small gestures can keep the fire burning. Grow together. Couples that grow together stay together, pursue shared goals, explore new hobbies, and challenging each other to become the best versions of yourselves. Celebrate each other's success. Your partner's success is your success too. Celebrate each other's achievements with genuine enthusiasm. Being each other's biggest cheerleader strengthens your emotional connection. And there you have it, our top relationship advice tips to help you foster healthy, loving, and enduring connections. Remember, relationships are a beautiful journey of growth and understanding. If you found these tips valuable, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content that nourishes your heart and mind. Until next time, take care and keep spreading love.